is my iPhone 17 Pro Max in the color Cosmic Orange, aka Garfield. I spent the last week testing out this phone as my daily driver, so let's talk about it. Let's start off with the color. I know it is not everyone's cup of tea, but for me, I love it. I feel like a lot of us have been asking for a fun color in the Pro for what seems like forever, so I feel like we finally got it. It also comes in deep blue and silver, no black, which I'm a little shocked, but it is what it is. Let's get into the cameras because y'all know that's my first stop. This does have the new front camera system with center stage, which makes the front camera 18 megapixels. I definitely noticed a difference even coming from my 16 Pro Max to this. And the front camera does have new features like dual capture, where you can capture yourself with your front camera, but also capture your surroundings with the back. You can also capture both video and photo vertically and horizontally without having to like rotate your phone. And then on the back, we have the new camera plateau. I guess some people don't, but I like it because when the camera's bumped up like this, that is more room for battery, which I, as a pro user, definitely need. We do have a new 48 megapixel 4x zoom, and then we have 8x optical zoom. Now, I tested this out and I was so impressed how much range we have on a camera on our phone. It is back in an aluminum body, which is supposed to help with the temperature along with the vapor chamber, which all plays a part in keeping the phone from like overheating or getting really warm when we're doing certain things. It has the A19 Pro chip in it, so better performance all around. I definitely feel like this phone is more responsive and quick. We have the 120 hertz display. There's also supposed to be an improvement with battery, but y'all know how I am with battery. It's gonna take me more than a week to decide if that's true or not. The regular Pro starts at $10.99. The Pro Max starts at $11.99. So let me know your thoughts. Now, all in all, I am happy with it so far. Again, it's only been a week, so I definitely need more time to fully test it out. But if you pre-ordered one, I don't think you're gonna be disappointed.
That's my iPhone 17 Pro Max with me. Initially, when I seen the design, I thought it was a little bit ugly, but it started to grow on me a little bit. Also, I needed a new phone because my one is playing up and I don't have any storage on the phone that I'm recording on right now. It's so pretty. I'm gonna set this up with my phone. It looks so pretty.